Okay, so most of it's going to be the same as yesterday, but some of them are different. Okay, so don't cruise ahead too far. Okay, so just as we did yesterday, we're going to label our equations. Okay, and then we're going to add them together. Okay, now, where you're going to see a difference today versus yesterday is today we can add them together, okay? But the reason we add, okay, is because what is negative 2 plus 2? 0, so they cancel. You have to have one a positive and one a negative with the same number in the front, okay? Meaning that the y's, they're both 2, okay? One's a positive and one's a negative, therefore you add, okay? Where you're going to see a difference at today is like if they're both like a negative 2, okay? Well, then you're going to have to like now add, you can subtract, or some people say multiply by negative 1 and then add. Okay, so this first one is the same though. So negative 1x plus 3x is what? 2x. Okay, and then the y's cancel, and I got 5 plus negative 15, negative 10. Okay, and then we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. Okay, some of you guys got a little mixed up yesterday because not always it's going to be the x's or the y's that cancel, okay? Sometimes it's going to be the x's, sometimes it's going to be the y's. And then when you went to go plug in, you need to make sure if it says x equals or y equals and plug into that one, okay? And then what do we do with that 5, that negative 5? We got to plug it in, okay? Does it matter which equation? No, it doesn't, okay? So pick one. Which one looks easier? The top one, and then we're going to plug that in. So I got negative x, which is negative 5, minus 2y equals 5. Okay, now, what's a negative 5? Yeah, it's going to be a positive 5. Okay, so it's really going to be 5. Oh my gosh. Sorry, that's a 5. So 5 minus 2y equals 5. Okay, because that negative makes it to be a positive. And then we say minus 5 on both sides. And I got negative 2y equals 0. And I'm sorry I'm sitting down, but my stomach hurts really bad. It's like it's from taking cold medicine. And then what do we do?
Negative 5 negative 0.
Huh?
Divide by 0.
Okay. Divide by negative 2. And we're going to get y equals 0. Okay, are we finished? No, why not? We gotta make it to a coordinate, okay? Which number should come first? The negative 5, so it should be negative 5, comma, 0. Okay, look at number 3. Do we have two numbers that are the same? Yes, what are they? Yeah, the x, okay? It's both a 1 and a 1. Do they have a different sign in front of them? Yeah, one's a positive and one's a negative, meaning that you can add the two equations together. Okay, so this one's going to be just like the one we just did. Okay, so you're going to add the two equations together. Okay, what is negative 1 plus 1? 0. Negative 2 plus 1. It's going to be negative 1. Y. 3 plus negative 3. 0. Okay, and then what do we do? Divide by negative 1. So you're gonna get y equals 0. Okay, and then we're gonna plug that back in. Which one do you wanna plug it into? Okay, I would use the second one. Okay, so you got x plus my y is 0 equals -3. Okay, and then if you want to, you can subtract 0 from both sides. You don't need to because it's not going to change anything, but, and then you're going to get x equals -3. Okay, so it should look like -3, comma 0. Okay, let's look at the next one. Are there two of them with the same number?
Yeah.
What? The 5, the y's, okay? So we can cancel them. Do they both have a different sign? No. So you cannot add them, you need to subtract them, okay? So instead of adding the two equations together, you're gonna have to subtract them, okay? Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Some people say, multiply it by -1, which you totally can, or you can just subtract them, but you need to do each piece. So, what is 4 minus -5? Okay, so 4 minus -5. 9. So we got 9x. Sorry, because I got a bunch of dots in here. Okay, -5 minus -5. Or -5 minus -5, yeah. 0. Okay, so the y's cancel. And then you got 18 minus 0. 18. Okay, and then what do you do? We're going to divide by 9. And you get x equals 2. Okay, and then do you want to plug it in the top one or the bottom one? You want to do the bottom? So I got -5 and my x is 2 minus 5y equals 0. Okay, what is -5 times 2? -10. So I got -10 minus 5y equals 0. Okay, and then you're going to add 10 on both sides. So I got -5 equals 10. And then we're going to divide by -5. So you got y equals -2. Can I scroll?